Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, I'm hopping into this beautiful palette right here that I bought from Target. It's from the brand Color Story and the palette is called Tropical Glow. So I'm using this palette today to create a St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup look. So once I go ahead and prime my eyes, I'm going to put some tape down so I get a really nice sharp edge here. Now first I'm going to take the brown shade in the palette called Coconut, and I'm just very lightly going to brush this through into the crease and kind of fling it and wing it out towards the tape. Once that's complete, we're going to go ahead and pick up a jumbo pencil. This color is called Horseradish, and blend that out with my finger. Using the color Guava, I'm going to add this right to the edge of the Horseradish jumbo pencil and blend that out. Now with the gorgeous shimmer green shade called Exotic from the palette, I'm adding that right over the jumbo pencil, and then I'm going to blend out the edge with Getaway, a nice matte yellow shade. With this gorgeous gold shade from Smoke Sessions by Melt Cosmetics and Inklot Duraline, I'm going to mix that together and create an eyeliner and of course give it a nice wing. And look at the sharpness. Yes! Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the edge a little bit, finish the other eye, and then moving on to my face. I'm going to add some concealer to all my problem areas, blend it out with my finger, and then set it, and I'm going to move on after that to contour and blush. Moving on to the under eye. So I'm going to whisk that nice brown, just kind of blend it out, then work pistachio to the waterline and a little bit on the edge of my lash line. And then we're going to add that beautiful green called Exotic and then blend it out with the yellow shade. After my brows, I'm moving on to my magnetic lashes. Now I'm going to do 3 coats of the liner, and I'm not going to wing it out, just want it to be right on the lashes. Now while the last coat dries, I'm moving on to my waterline, and I'm going to go ahead and now also add mascara before I put the lashes on, and a bottom coat as well for the bottom lashes. Now moving on to the falsies, the magnetic ones. These are pretty great. If you are not really good with the glue and it's too messy, too difficult, the magnetic ones are definitely the way to go. After setting and fanning it out, it is time to highlight. Now this is one of my favorite highlights right now from Melt Cosmetics. It's called Stargazer. I'm going to go and add that to the inner corners, to my brow bones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, the cheekbones, and you can't forget sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. So add that, and once we're popping, we're glowing, we are shining, it's time for lipstick. This is one of my favorite orange lipsticks from Kat Von D. Then I did a little bit more of the highlight on my lip to give it a little more pop. And then time for a little refresh of the curls. I'm just going to go ahead and spritz slightly. I just want to get closer to the roots, not to my ends. Then with my favorite body and hair oil, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull back my hair some. I'm not slicking it back, but I want some of the flyaways to get a little bit settled. Then I'm going to use one of my satin scrunchies from NP Tresh Treats, and I'm going to give it a little tie around and then fluff these curls. And then with a little bit more of the hair and body oil on my fingers, I'm going to separate some curls around my pineapple. And here's the completed hair and makeup creation. I hope that all of you enjoyed this St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup look, and all of my makeup lovers and curl friends, I hope you guys join me next Monday for another video. Take care.